Hello, thank you for watching this video. This time I would like to introduce you to SEIKO, Japan's world-class watch manufacturer, SEIKO 5 Sports SBSA005. Previously, I created this video in Japanese audio, but this time I created it in English audio. I am Japanese, so my English is not so good. Please forgive me if there are some strange translations. SEIKO 5 Sports was renewed in 2019, and this watch is available from SEIKO since 2019. The SEIKO 5 Sports is a watch that was sold as the SEIKO 5 before the relaunch, as an international-only model. It is actually a model with a long history. The predecessor of the SEIKO 5 was sold in 1963. At that time, it was also sold in Japan. It seems that it was not sold as an overseas model until the 1980s. SEIKO 5 has high time accuracy and has highly evaluated by wristwatch enthusiasts. There were even watch stores that re-imported overseas models back to Japan and sold them. That is how popular these watches are. By the way, what is the 5 in SEIKO 5? Unbreakable spring, shock resistance, mechanical automatic winding, day and date display, water resistance. The 5 in the name of the watch means these 5 are installed in the watch. The machine installed in this watch is SEIKO's 4R36. This machine has a daily time error of plus 45 to minus 35 seconds. Since mechanical watches use a spring and gears to move the time hands, errors inevitably occur. Even the machines of the luxury brand Grand SEIKO have an error of plus 4 to minus 2 seconds on average. Incidentally, Grand SEIKO watches are priced from 500,000 yen to 1 million yen, depending on the model. The model I purchased, SBSA005, SEIKO 5 Sports, cost 33,000 yen. Considering the price difference, the difference per day would be about plus 45 to minus 35 seconds. I think it is acceptable without any problem. By the way, I don't mind the time error when I use this watch. I think the accuracy is actually higher than what SEIKO has announced. Some people don't wear watches these days, and some people wear smartwatches. Wristwatches can be worn both as a fashion item and as a business etiquette. It is important that the watch be a mechanical watch because of the business etiquette factor. It is a good idea to have at least one mechanical watch. Incidentally, when I see a working person without a watch, I think she is loose with time. You may lose credibility at work, so I think you should wear a wristwatch. I recommend SEIKO 5 Sports for the following reasons. Not only is it low-priced, high precision, and cost-effective, but it is designed for both business and casual use. The design can be used for both business and casual wear, making it even more cost-effective. In the past, business people wore thin leather-belted dress watches. Thin watches with leather belts were considered ideal for business use. Today, however, there is nothing wrong with wearing a watch with a sporty design in a business setting. The SEIKO 5 Sports is a confident choice. The luminescent coating glows at night, making the time highly visible. In addition, the belt lock is a double locking system. Even if the watch is subjected to some kind of shock, it seems unlikely that the belt will come off. The design is also cool. The price is 33,000 yen, which is cheap for a mechanical watch. I think it is the most cost-effective watch. This time, I introduced SEIKO 5 Sports SBSA005. There are various designs available. If you are interested in this watch, please check it out. See you soon. Thank you.